Alright guys, here we are repairing the radiator. We're using these two guys. They're the 4-minute ones. They were only $5. Quick set steel, high temperature and pressure resistance, which is really good. This is what we need. And this is the guy. The thing is, this had a screw. Somehow it got to here and it scraped it and made a hole in one of the things. Those things in the middle, you can rip them off. What I did, I ripped them off with the, let's see, this guy. Ripped them off. If there was a hole here, you rip off the top and the bottom. And then you want to use the pliers, kind of crimp it on one side, crimp it on another side if you don't want to drain the fluid. And then you want to use carburetor cleaner, clean it up, make sure it's nice and clean, and hopefully it doesn't leak out in your fluids. And make sure the cap is on good, so if it's off, you're gonna get air in there and then it's gonna start leaking. So far so good. We'll be testing it after it's running. I'm sure you'll be just fine. This radiator is $800, so you know. CF model, and they don't sell just the radiator. You have to buy it with the fan, which fan shouldn't be that expensive. I guess this metal thing is expensive. By the way, I think you want to take the whole radiator off because you have to take this guy off. Too much stuff to take off. I decided to just make a hole in it and then just patch it up, since that thing would not need that protection. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this. Fast solution and cheap. And I also stuffed it inside, so it'll be better, not just on top. And when you rip those guys off, it makes it feel really good. And yeah, we'll check it out, see if she leaks or not. My next step will be the roll cage replacement, or making a custom one, because this one is pretty messed up. And I think that one got bent too, in the back. But that's another story. This story ends with the radiator. Well, there is a little bump here, but it's not leaking from there. But it should work. It's side by side. It's gonna get flipped again someday. Take care, guys. Like, subscribe, and take care.